With every shower valve, we send a flow restrictor, a 1.8 flow restrictor. That gets installed behind the thermo cartridge itself. So when in use, it's actually restricting both outlets simultaneously, the shower head and hand shower, to a 1.8 flow. So to do this, using a 36mm socket, unthread the nut from the thermo cartridge. Kind of had that one pre-loosened. Move the nut, and the cartridge will pull straight out. The flow restrictor itself pushes in. You can see the casting back there, the seat for it. It's easier to install this with the valve uninstalled from the wall on a bench or a tabletop like we're doing here. It's just much easier to insert. Once you have it drop down in there with your finger, you can just go ahead and push it into place and then reinstall your cartridge. The cartridge itself has a little tab here, and it mates up with the cutout on the inside of the valve itself. So the cartridge only goes in one way. Push it in, you'll feel it fall into place. And then your cartridge nut, thread it on. There we go. And snug her up, not too tight.